Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spirulina drink, only way. Blend 1 teaspoon spirulina powder with 8 ounces water or milk, a banana, and a squeeze of lemon until smooth. Use a high-speed blender to break up clumps and create a creamy texture. If you prefer a milder taste, add 1 tablespoon honey or dates and a pinch of salt. Serve chilled over ice or enjoy immediately for best flavor and nutrient absorption. Gather your ingredients before blending for a smooth process and consistent results. Measure 1 teaspoon spirulina powder per serving and 8 ounces of your chosen liquid, such as almond or coconut milk. Prepare 1 banana or a quarter avocado for creaminess and 1 tablespoon honey or 1 date for sweetness. Have ice ready if you want a cold drink. Optional. Add a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavor and aid absorption. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple health recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money makes a fun companion to building better habits. Consider checking it out if you want a fresh perspective. Look in the description for the link and any special deals I found for viewers. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Layer ingredients thoughtfully to avoid clumps and achieve a silky texture in every sip. Begin by blending the liquid and sweetener, then add banana or avocado and finally the spirulina powder. Pulse for 10 seconds, then blend on medium to high for 30 to 45 seconds until smooth. Sample and tweak with more water for thinness, honey for sweetness, or lemon for brightness. Pour into a chilled glass and enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.